Oh my god, our car tire puncture. It is not totally flat, still have some air which I can drive for short distance. We have a shop around 500 meters away from my house. So I have to drive slowly. I'm a bit lazy to change myself because need a lot of work. So I hope it's enough. This air is enough for me to drive at least 500 meters. Oops. Oh, no way, no way. I think not a good idea to drive. Looks like something not right because I can feel from my steering. Um, nah, nah. I think it's gone. I have to call somebody to come here. Either I change myself or call somebody. See if he's reasonable, he doesn't charge me too much, then I call. If not, then I have to change myself with a spare tire. See which one is convenient. Of course, I do not want to change myself because I have done before. It's very troublesome. So let's see. I call somebody. So finally, guy is coming. He's charging if it's reasonable around 25 ringgit. So I think I can. That's better. I think including the service fee and also the puncture. So let him come back. If what they do, they will fill. They have a portable pump where they can pump air into the tire. Then I will drive there. And yeah, he's coming with a motorcycle and pump it. Then I will drive to the place because I do not want to spoil my tire. If I drive in this condition, then my tire can damage. Then I have to change the whole tire because these car tires are quite expensive. It's a very big tire. So let's see. Let him come and I drive there. So what the hell? I supposed to go somewhere, but at the end, this is the things that happens. Okay, guys. See you later. Let me arrange the. Okay, finally he managed to pump air, and I'm driving to his place for the puncture. Okay. Thank God it wasn't so far from my place. It's only a 500 meter, but that's why I prefer not to change just for 500 meter, and it is possible that he can come. So if something happened on a highway and I have no choice, then I have to change the tire. So saved all the hassles. Thank God I managed to do it.
To start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, like sometimes. I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. Can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. my work, I turned it around. I'm burning the fuse.
Okay guys, all set. Tire is done. I'm ready to go where I'm supposed to go. Okay. Okay, actually I'm going to one place to pick somebody. Okay, and on the way it's close to the Twin Towers, so let me take you around the city. Okay. Okay, by log, today is a short video. I came out to city. Basically, I stay in a Ampang city, so I came to the Kuala Lumpur, which is like 5 kilometers from my place. Having some personal work, so just thought of making some video, show you some views outside city here. I'm waiting for somebody. Once it comes, then I think till the person comes, I will close the video from there. Okay, so let me show you some outside view here. Yeah, this is the place I'm waiting for someone to come. Then yes, I think the person is here already, so I need to go. So guys, take care. See you in next video. Okay, bye bye, take care.